morning, folks. Going to a no heat call. It's about 67 degrees outside. That's Georgia weather for y'all. So the winter still isn't over. So I'm pretty sure we're gonna get a mixture of no heat, no cool. But it's just the end of January, beginning of February, it got a little warm out here. So, but it feels good, I'll take it. But that's what they call that shoulder season, where it starts getting a little weird. You're not busy as much and the temperature is kind of mild, so it's not demanding. But yeah, guys, let's go to this call, see what we find. Hey. So you said you turned it on yesterday and it kind of worked, but then it didn't?
But then it stopped.
Okay,
yeah,
cool.
It's weird.
So I'll go ahead. Do you know where it's located? It's in a probably in the crawl space, right? You don't have a basement, do you?
We do have a basement.
Okay, let me check that basement. It's probably in the basement, wherever you change the filters at. So we got a Goodman. I hear it trying to come on. What's up with that? Okay. Tried to fire up. Sounded like it didn't spew the gas. The gas didn't come out enough for it to actually catch. So we'll watch it one more time. This thing needs a cleaning for sure. Look at those burners. Okay, this time I didn't hear no gas spew out. I'll let it go one more time just so I can get a good ear test, a good hearing test. Yeah, I did not hear no gas this time. First time I heard gas, this time I didn't. I did hear the I did hear the gas valve click. Let's check the voltage. See what voltage we're getting. Make sure we are getting the correct voltage before I start cleaning this up. Igniter came on. It clicked. 24 volts. It seems like it sends the voltage for the correct amount of time. We'll get this out the way. Might just be a little bit of maintenance on this thing. This. Wow. Look at that, guys. How rusted out that is. So get a look at those burners. Went ahead and got the vacuum. You know, we need the vacuum. Oops. Where am I going? Where am I going? So I got this drill. I'm gonna go ahead, clean this up a little bit. And then I'm gonna use some thermostat wire to clear out those ports. And this thing on fire. This thing was rolling for sure. I can't get it on too. I got this too. This helps out a lot with certain stuff that, you know, just needs to be cleaned real well. It's non-flammable, so I forgot to bring some thermostat wire, so I'll just steal some from here. When I first came down here, I heard it spew out gas, so I'm hoping this will clear it out. These ports, these orifices, and we can get some gas flow. Hopefully, I don't think the valve is bad. I'm gonna go ahead and apply 24 volts to it. Make sure I'm getting any gas. This ain't the best way to do it, but nothing's gonna happen if I get a little bit of gas out here. Okay, I can hear the gas and I can feel it. Even though I did hear it the first time, and then the other two tries, it didn't spew out any gas. So now I'm about to vacuum this. Ooh, that gas stinks. I'm about to vacuum this. Try to clean out these burners as best I can, and that way we'll see if that did the trick, see if that fixed the issue. Might as well clean that sensor while we're at it. This is a real bad one here. This one ain't too bad, but we'll just clean it out. It's that shoulder season. It's that shoulder season call. You got time to do all this. It ain't that busy right now. This is the bad one right here. Look at all that. I've seen worse, but still bad. Okay guys, so we got them cleaned out the best we could. Sanded them down. This was the worst one, this one. This was the one on the left. So we did what we could. Looks good though. So we'll go ahead and put them back. Igniter is on. Our flames are going. And we are good, baby. So, let's be honest, I probably could have got away with just cleaning these orifices right here, these ports. But this is way much better, and we got time today. So we didn't have to rush on it as much, but now we know the burners are super clean. There's no rust on the back end, on the casing. Everything is clean. So what I'll do now is I'll turn it off and make sure it spews out gas again and lights again. I'll do this like 2 more times to ensure that our gas valve is good and that wasn't the issue. Let me go ahead and take pictures of this. All right, we're gonna do it one more time. Okay guys, it's done. It's so good to see a furnace. Once you take care of it and do what you got to do, it's so good to see it clean, working properly. Fortunately, some people don't care. Picture of that. Get it back down. 71. Where's the return? Where's the return? No returns. This might be a return. Nope, that's a supply. And then these returns, and then these return vents, we probably just don't want to block them out too much, just because the system got to breathe.
Oh yeah?
And it can, yeah. So, I mean, as long as it's not right up against it, it's okay. Like, this should be fine.
Okay.
And then let me just get some of that stuff off. That way it's not, you know, causing the unit to starve out by hand.
All right. Thank you.
No problem. Wow. Ooh-wee. You could literally hear the vent sounding, breathing way better once I took that off. Okay, so that's another return. That's the one we just cleaned. Make sure, probably got another one by the windows. There's one back here. I'll just leave this like that. Yeah, these old houses, they'll put the returns by the windows and the supplies by the entry of the room. Kind of backwards. There's another one right there. Wow, so 2 of those returns were pretty dirty. Especially that one in the living room. So we just got to make sure we kind of look at almost everything, you know what I mean? You want to look at everything as much as you can. That way you won't get a call back. If they were super dirty, it could possibly be tripping that main limit. So yeah guys, chill day. pretty hot out here, bro. It's hot, so we're gonna be getting a mixture of no cool and no heat, or it's just gonna be very slow. I'm probably gonna do a video of my van, of my tool bag. I don't know, just other stuff I've seen on YouTube before. So I might do a tool bag layout video and a van tour video, just cause it's slow right now. But yep, that's it. I'll let y'all go. God bless, folks. God bless.